What is up, guys? Nate here, and welcome back to another video. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. It is the DarkSiders 3 Collector's Edition. I did get it sometime last year when the game first came out, but all I did was open it and take the game out of it. I've never actually unboxed all of the collectibles that came in it, so why not do it on video? So without further ado, let's jump into it, guys. Alright guys, here it is. This is a big box. So what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to open this up on the side, put everything right here on the right side for you guys to see. We'll do close-ups and stuff like that. So let's jump into it. Alright, so what comes in here is 4 statues, a steelbook, looks like a poster, and I'm not 100% sure what else. So let's jump into it. Let's start with the first figure. Oof, we don't want that to fall. So this is the Fury figure, which is the main protagonist in DarkSiders 3. Alright, after trying super hard to get the whip in, I cannot get it in. So that is a bummer. So, show you the statue. All right, let's move on to the next one. This one is War. He is the protagonist of the first DarkSiders. I'll give you guys a look at the box. All right, let's unbox this thing. All right, so getting the sword on this one was a lot easier. I'll give you guys a look at the figure. All right, guys, let's move on to the next one. Alright, this is the Death figure. He is the protagonist of the DarkSiders 2. I'll give you guys a look at the box. Alright, let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, let's give you guys a look at the figure. Alright guys, very last one. This is Vulgrim. He's who you go to when you want to upgrade in the game. I believe he's in all 3 DarkSiders. So let's jump into this. Alright guys, here it is. Give you guys a look at the figure. Alright guys, which one of these 4 were your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. If you played the games, also let me know which one's your favorite. And let's move on to the next part. Alright guys, we got 4 more things to take a look at here. We have the collector's guide that did not come with the game, but I did buy that separately, so we'll do that last. Let's do the 3 things that did come with the game. Let's start with the steelbook. Comes with the DarkSiders 3 steelbook. All right, I do not know what's in here. Take a look. Oh, a pendant from the game. I don't quite remember if I've seen this pendant anywhere, but give it a closer look at that. Okay, comes with a art book. Comes with the soundtrack. "24 songs, official soundtrack of the game. The original casing for DarkSiders 3. Okay, give you guys a look at the back. Now we have this poster. Let's take a look here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you guys the whole thing, but let's take a look here. That is lovely. What I'll do is I'll actually hang this up on my wall, and then I'll give you guys a view on the wall. So let's do that. All right guys, last thing. The DarkSiders 3 Collector's Guide. Very, very, very nice. I don't usually ever use the Collector's Guides, but they are beautiful to have, so I definitely picked them up. Kind of just tells what it comes with. Right there. I guess this is all of Fury's forms in DarkSiders 3. Like I said, I haven't played the game, so I don't quite know about the forms, but there's that. All right guys, welcome back. So what did you think about this collector's edition? Again, the game is DarkSiders 3. The collector's edition was $400. I did get it sometime last year. I bought it at GameStop. If you guys do want to see me stream this game, I will be streaming this on Twitch. Just comment down below if you'd like to see me stream this. I did start a Twitch as well as a Mixer. My Mixer will be for Xbox. My Twitch will be for PlayStation. So if you guys do want to see me do something like that, comment down below. Please subscribe. This video did take quite a while for me to make. A lot of time. Please like, comment. My Instagram, my Twitter, and my Patreon are linked below. If you guys are from my Instagram viewing this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are here from YouTube, again, my Instagram is tagged down below. Please give me a follow, like some photos, and I will soon be doing a Funko Pop giveaway. So stay tuned. Have a good night, guys. Peace.